Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to browse highlights directly from your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to enjoy the curated stories of your favorite profiles without needing to use your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type in the URL and hit enter. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, enter the profile that contains the highlight you want to view. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar at the top of the page. Once you find their profile, click on it to open their page. Once you're on their profile, look under their bio for the highlights section. With the recent updates, highlights are now organized neatly below the bio, making them easy to spot. You may see circular icons representing different highlights that users have created. Now it's time to browse their highlight. Click on any of the circular icons to open it up. This will display all the stories saved within that highlight. You can scroll through these stories at your own pace, enjoying all the content they've chosen to showcase. This new update not only enhances your browsing experience, but also allows you to engage more deeply with the content shared by others. Whether it's travel adventures, behind-the-scenes looks, or special moments, highlights are a fantastic way to keep up with what your favorite accounts are sharing. So, there you have it. Following these simple steps will allow you to easily browse Instagram highlights on your PC. Enjoy exploring all the amazing content out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates on using social media effectively. Thanks for watching.